We have set up a family law division within the firm which I head because we have realized that it is a growing area within the law practice, and there are just diverse things that we do, from children, divorce, marriage settlement, succession, trusts, just to name a few. The joy I get from my own family in hoping to translate that to my clients. Yeah. The Marriage Act. All the marriages are now recognized. Previously we had very many marriage laws depending on what system, how formal or informal it was, and it would make the process a little lengthy and different depending on which system you're married under. But they have now been merged into one law which came into force in the year 2014. And there's also only one court which deals with all the marriages. There's also the issue of polygamous marriages that are now recognized under our laws. In Kenya, I can say we are doing a very good job. If you go to the children's court, the infrastructure may not be as impressive, but until you sit down in any children's matter and listen to how the magistrates particularly conduct it, you start with the best interest of the child, so that it does not matter who the parents are. You start with the child, and it is standard, depending on, it doesn't matter the standard of living of the family or exactly what has brought you to the court, but the starting point is the best interest of the child, and the courts have insisted to the parties, to the children, and to us as family law practitioners that must be upheld, and our standards in terms of upholding as good as, if not better than, what's done regionally. We sit in the Family Law Practitioners Committee, which is basically a committee made up of members from the judiciary, which is the bench, as well as members of the Law Society of Kenya's practitioners. We do trainings for the judges and magistrates, because for the judiciary, you do not have one particular judicial officer who has a specific training. The rotation is like in any other division. But whenever they come in, we offer the training as members of the family law practitioners, and we are trying to build a department where we have various people who specialize in all those aspects of family law.